Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Deepseek R1 with Bolt.diy and it is completely free. The local setup I will show you step by step process. So stay with me till the end, and also in this video I will tell you two free sources from where you can use the Deepseek R1 for free. Okay. So first of all, go to this link, this GitHub link that I have given in the description box. This is the Bolt.diy GitHub, and if you have already installed Bolt.diy previously, then please delete that folder and reinstall it. Okay, because they have added some new features, and if you don't reinstall that this Bolt.diy, then you will not get this Deepseek R1 option. Got it? So please reinstall this Bolt.diy from this GitHub. So the process is copy this link. Here you see that. Click on this code and copy this link and go to your terminal or command prompt. Okay, and here just write this way, that git clone, and paste that URL. So it will be cloned locally. And here you see that this is the folder Bolt.diy. Okay, now go to that folder inside your VS Code and just run this command pnpm install. Okay, so let me show you that command also in this UI. Here you see that pnpm install you have to do. By the way, if you don't have pnpm in your machine, then just run this command npm install -c pnpm. After that, run this command pnpm install. Okay, so you will get this type of things, like all of the dependencies will be installed in your machine, and after that you have to run this command, this pnpm run dev. Okay, and when you will run this command, then you will see this type of interface, this bolt.diy welcome, and this is the localhost 5173. So if I go to this port 5173, here you will find this type of interface. Okay, many of you already have seen this type of interface of bolt.diy before. Okay, now we will use the free API. How to get that? So first of all, go to this website, this Groq Cloud. So if you go to this Groq Cloud, this is a free website. Just do the sign up, and after that, here you come to this playground option. On the left hand side, you see that playground, and on the right hand side, top corner, here you will see that model, and here you see that Deepseek R1 distilled Llama 7 TB. So you remember that in the last video I have discussed this Deepseek R1, and there I already told you that Deepseek has released a model Deepseek R1, and they have also released 6 distilled model, and that models are based on the Queen and Llama. Right now, this Groq Cloud actually providing that distilled model. Here you see the Deepseek R1 Llama 70 billion parameter model. Okay, 70 billion. That means you will get the best output from this, right? So you can actually choose this model and you can try here also. You will get this type of message interface below, and here you can do the chat. But we are interested to get the API key. So on the left hand side, here you see that there is the option API key. So just click on this. After that, you will find this page, console.groq.com/keys, and here click on this create API key, and you will find this type of pop-up. Okay, and give a name. So I am giving my channel name Code and click on the submit. Okay, and after that you will get a API key. So copy that API key and go to your Bolt, and here you see that you will find many options here. Just select the option Groq. Okay, this is the option you see, Groq. So select it, and after that on the right hand side you will find the Llama option and Deepseek R1 distill. Okay, so select this Deepseek R1 distill, and below here you see that Groq API key you have to set up. How to set up this? So here you will see that this type of edit button. Okay, so this type of edit button you will see, click on that, and here put the API key that you have copied. Here in this section you have to put. Now click on this right sign, and after that the setup is complete. By the way, here you will see that this type of drop down here. So if I click on this, you see that Deepseek R1 is here. So maybe when you will run this bolt.diy in your local, you may see this type of drop down hiding option. Okay, so you please click on this and after that you will find this type of setting option, right? So this is one of the way. So let me show you one thing. Let me generate a app. Okay, so I want to generate this personal journal app. Okay, so let me copy this. This is one of the app idea that I have found. Okay, from this chat GPT, and I will go to this option here and I will paste it here. So personal journal app, and so make it website. Okay, and before it just write build. Okay, build personal journal website, and this is the feature that I have mentioned here: some encryption, some search criteria, and save, write and save daily journal entries. Okay, now press enter, and after that here you will see that it will start generating the whole app. You see, it has already created the package.json, and after that this journal entry .jsx, main.jsx, and this crypto.jsx. That means I have written that I want some encryption decryption process, so it has done all of these things here, you see. Okay, and on the left hand side it has explained all of the features, and it has created all of these things, right? So this is one of the way. Now let me show you another way. Okay, so for that I will click on this start new chat, and here you will see that there is option hyperbolic. Okay, so if you select hyperbolic, now when you select hyperbolic, and on the right hand side here you see that some of the models that they have added, like currently there is a version Deepseek version 2.5, but some days later they will add this Deepseek version also. So that's why I am telling you now that you when you will try after some 1 week, then maybe you will find this Deepseek R1 option also here. Okay, so this is another way. And when you will choose this hyperbolic, in that case how you will get the API key? So for the API key, go to this website app.hyperbolic.xyz. Okay, this is the main website, and on the left hand side you will see this settings option. Okay, so here if you scroll down below, here is this API key. So just copy this API key, and in the same way, here you will find this edit option, click on this edit, and here paste your API key, and click on this tick mark, and it will be uh, done. Okay, so now another thing is that if you go to this hyperbolic and click on this models on the left hand side, you see here you will find all of the options like DeepSeek R1 Zero model, DeepSeek R1 model, and also you will find this DeepSeek V3 also. Okay, so these are the two ways that I wanted to share with you. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys, and if you want to get this type of videos more, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section.